What's going on, man?
What's up?
What you all dressed up for?
Skydive.
Going skydiving. You're gonna jump out of a plane?
I am.
Why?
I got dumb.
All right. Well, do you got anything to say to your friends and family? Anybody watching this?
I hope I live.
Oh, I do too, because you're attached to me. Let's go have a lot of fun. All right. High five. Woo!
That was awesome.
That was awesome!
Oh my gosh.
What do you gotta say to everybody watching this? Getting super jealous.
Y'all gotta do it.
You gotta do this. Thanks for taking me in and jumping skydiving, Billy. What'd you think?
That was awesome.
Well, you jumped, you lived. That's a pretty good start.
Oh yeah.
Are you ever gonna do it again?
I would.
Where are you going skydiving next time you get the chance?
I don't know, maybe in a few months. That'd be cool.
You gonna come back here?
Yeah.
That's what I want to hear.
Yeah.